Hey there guys, it's Master Chief here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your Xbox if it is too dirty. So what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is just get a spray bottle like this. It's not really, it's got the aerosol in it. Let's see it. Blast away. So what you want to do is you want to take your Xbox and turn it around like this. And then there's some holes back here. See these holes back here? What you want to do is just spray them with the aerosol can like this. What this does is it blasts all the dirt out. It blasts out stuff like dust and all that. You also want to take your hard drive off. You go in there. It's just like the same thing with a computer, guys. All it does is it just removes the dust out of there, so, yeah. Okay, so, now, okay, it's all nice and clean right there. Now what you want to do is, hang on a second guys, you want to plug in your Xbox so that it has power, like this, and you want to open the disc thing. See how it opens like that? You do. Flip it around. And you want to blow inside there with this thing. This one. And then that should be good, guys. Make sure the drawer opens nice and good. That's all, guys. So that's how you clean your Xbox. Thanks for watching.